This is day 11 of OpenAI updates, and today they have launched a new ChatGPT feature only for Mac desktop users. So this is actually the screenshot from the demo video. So what this feature does is that it can directly integrate with some of the Mac OS applications in your system. For example, ChatGPT desktop app can directly interact with Xcode, Notes, Notion, and Warp. So you can open this ChatGPT like overlay by pressing the shortcut Option and space in your Mac laptop, and it will automatically open it, and you can just click on this icon over here. So this will display the other apps that are currently opened on your Mac system. For example, this is an Xcode IDE, right? So I can just go here pressing the Option and space keys and click on this icon and select Xcode. So earlier you will just copy the entire code on the Xcode and then paste it inside the chat and you will ask questions. But now ChatGPT can automatically get what is being displayed in Xcode. So you don't have to do that extra copy paste thing. Rather than that, you can just directly ask questions and also get code suggestions from ChatGPT instead. For example, here you can clearly see they have just given a prompt, and if you hover over that working with Xcode, it literally is showing the file in which the user is currently focused and working. So you don't have to like copy paste anything. ChatGPT will have access to that particular data which is currently running in that application. In this example, it is Xcode. And also they have said in the demo that they will be accessing the data from these other macOS apps only at the time of usage. Say they won't be accessing the data when ChatGPT isn't used. So this is a cool integration, I would say, and it also comes with notes. For example, you're having the notes app and a bunch of text in it, so you can directly ask ChatGPT questions from it or make any suggestions from it rather than copying and pasting it. It can directly access the application and exclusively in Mac desktop. Also applies for Notion, and it can also do voice and exactly all the other features, basically integrating some of the Mac applications with ChatGPT and directly talking and getting the data from those applications rather than copy pasting it, and makes the work kinda efficient and smooth. So that's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.